Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you to see how today is Tuesday, September the 12th. WE, which is WeWork, pops up at the top of the main dashboard at tradealgo.com for our users and members to see, with an over 4,300% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So, out of all equities in the market that our machine learning technology is tracking in real time, it sees WE with the most unusual amount of institutional bullish signals. That's why it's number one at the top of the main dashboard. The stock proceeds to jump 84% as a result. Look at that massive move today. The reason being that what our AI typically sees is only $5.7 million of WE stock traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone is $250 million. Hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the largest market makers there are. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early, which is why we choose to follow large institutional traders who have access to information much faster than the retail investor commonly does, as well as use lightning fast machine learning models to be able to identify at 9:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's triple the average amount of bullish volume that's normally seen there. If we go to the TradeAlgo options chain at tradealgo.com, you can see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $5 call option. We're going to stick with the 15-minute chart. We know our AI picked it up at 9:58 a.m. This is the 10 a.m. candle right here. Options were 5 cents. This is a couple minutes later. That means that it's a maximum. These options are up over 4,000%. However, it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. As you could see, the market moves very quickly. It's about getting the information and the data down here by using TradeAlgo, as opposed to hearing about it over here in the retail market and missing out on everything in between. For example, maybe you didn't even enter the trade until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is over an hour later, and then maybe you got out here at an absolutely horrible low exit. That's still a 164% return. Get data down here with AI technology and TradeAlgo. Stop getting it over here in the retail market on the news or through other general sources. And it wasn't just WeWork. There are many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one more for the day. Let's take a look at ORCL on our large cap space, trending down on the red side of the equation on the TradeAlgo dashboard, with an over 600% increase in institutional bearish volume. So on the opposite side of the equation. What our technology, again, is identifying is that typically it's $700 million over a 7-day average by institutions and private exchanges. Today was over 4.3 billion, so billions extra in this case. We go to the alerts tab at tradealgo.com, and you can see that our machine learning models and AI technology were able to pick up Oracle at 8:08 a.m., which is more than an hour before the market opened, with 11 times the bearish volume that's normally seen there. On the option side of the equation, if you go to ORCL, you could see a nice list of almost triple-digit and triple-digit returns. The 110 put option had over 36,000 contracts at daily volume, so either the 110 or the 109, with all their daily volume and open interest, probably would have been key targets for most people, considering that the 110 had so much more daily volume and open interest. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one. We're going to stick with the 15-minute chart because, again, on this case, we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. From market open, options contracts were about 60 cents at their maximum. That's a 456% return. Maybe you just scalped something real quick at the beginning of the morning. Maybe it didn't hop in until later in the afternoon. Maybe you got a bad spot price at 10 a.m. once the contracts were $1.10, and maybe you still made a triple-digit return. Again, get your data and information down here so you're not caught chasing it over here after it's already moved and made a profit. And congratulations to all our users who are sharing success stories with us. We don't have time to go through all of them, but here's just a couple key highlights. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.